and we'll give back in the next statement.
Okay, now what do you want now?
I mean,
First
adjournment
an
also, my lord.
adjournment.
Yeah, adjournment and then allowed to get the photocopy of the petition, my lord. This is a long pending case, my lord, 2012 method. So it's very hard to get the certified copy also, my lord.
Okay. Heard Mr. D.
Ji, Bora, my lord.
Bora, learned counsel for the appellant, who prays for an adjournment on the ground that since this is an old pending matter, they have misplaced the brief. And also prays for allowing the appellant to take the photocopy of the
My lord.
file. The registry shall allow the petitioner to get a photocopy of the records of the appeal. Considering the circumstances, this appeal is the hearing is adjourned for today. Let this matter be listed
Immediately.
after
After
1 week,
2 weeks, my lord.
after 2 weeks.
2 weeks. Obvious, my lord.
Item number 1.
May I please, Your Lordship? Well, it's a 439 application. Petitioner is behind the bar. Altogether, my lord, he is in behind the bar for 56 days. In this case, 24 days he is in custody. Originally, he was arrested in one crime branch case, my lord. In this case, he was a sub-register, my lord. And
Why it has come to me? Because I have dealt with
yes,
the same affair.
yes.
Okay,
As per the new judgment of this.
okay. When
Now-
he was originally arrested?
He was originally arrested on 23/2/2024. Sorry, my lord. 30/12/2023. 30/12/2023. That is the forwarding report Lordship will find at page 37. Well, in this case, my lord, the basic allegation against this man, my lord, that he certified a false sale deed, my lord. He was a sub-register, my lord. And accordingly, he was arrested. My lord, in this case, my lord, that sale deed was dated 31/12/2004. But in this case, my lord, the lordship already has granted the bail to the person, the beneficiary, on whose behalf the sale deed was prepared. He is one Mr. Devashish Borua. Page 71, my lord. Page 71 is the person on whose behalf, my lord, this forced sale deed was prepared, my lord. Then, my lord, from whose possession this forced sale deed was recovered, my lord, he was also granted, my lord, page 67.
Whether case diary is there,
No, my lord, the motion stage, my lord.
whether it would be required.
No.
We let us fix a short date calling for the case diary. Because your submission would be as other accused persons are already.
Yes,
So
and the lordship has granted bail to one Mr. Ranjit Chaudhary. He is also one of the sub-register, my lord, along with me. His bail was granted, my lord, page 60, my lord. Lordship can, this will reflect everything, my lord. Page 60. Because everything has been reflected by your lordship order, my lord. Regarding the law point also, similarly, I am also situated, my lord. That Udan Chand has not been followed in this case also.
in this In crime branch case, you got bail.
I got bail in two cases, my lord. Now, one is, my lord, Nunmati PS case number 147. Then one case, my lord, that is Bokhisto PS case number 421. In these two cases, I got bail, my lord. Rest is pending, my lord. Rest. Rest is coming on 27th, my lord. No, 27th. 27th. Then rest of the cases are fixed on 27th of this month. And
Let us fix for case diary on Monday or Tuesday. Short date. When can you bring his resignation? Heard Mr. A. M. Bora, Learned Senior Counsel, assisted by Mr. V. A. Chaudhary, Learned Counsel for the petitioner. Also heard Mr. K. Bush, Learned Additional Public Prosecutor. The perusal of the case diary would be necessary for consideration of the instant bail application. Hence, call for the case diary. Fixing
26, my lord.
26 February for case diary.
Ablash.
Item two.
Make this is the lordship. We file this IA for seeking a lordship's direction to accept our papers, my lord, as regards bond, bail bond, my lord. We have been granted bail by the Honorable Court on 18/1/2024.
Now, whether report has come, we
Report, my lord, I have found that has not come, my lord. So, my lord, my humble submission is that I'll again approach, my lord, because all the original papers are still with me, my lord. And in the meantime, they never, they did not again approach, my lord, for filing because the matter was pending. So I'm seeking your lordship's permission, my lord, to file our bail bond before the learned court below, my lord. All the papers, original papers are with me, man.
originals what?
The papers, my lord, which they wanted to submit.
Okay.
That is, so otherwise, my lord, the matter is getting late. We'll again approach, my lord, before the court, my lord, with the papers.
No, there is no bar
Yes,
because
sir.
for that court's order is not necessary.
Necessary, ma'am. So-
You don't want to pursue this.
Pursue, my lord, pursue, my lord.
No, this interlocutory application may be disposed of.
May be disposed of, my lord. Maybe disposed, because, my lord, I have suggested them, no, in the meantime, my lord, they have approached me because whether they could again submit. So I have advised them that let the matter be disposed of and then it will be proper for you to approach the court. my lord.
Heard Mr. M. A. Chaudhary, Learned Counsel for the petitioner. Also heard Mr. K. Bush. It appears that a report was called for from the Learned Special Judge Karimganj as regards certain allegations which were made against the office staff of the Learned Special Judge Karimganj by the present petitioner in the interlocutory application. We have received a letter dated the registry has received a letter dated 16th February 2024 from the in charge district and session judge Karimganj, inter alia, in charge district and session judge Karimganj, which has been placed before this court today, stop. On perusal of the said letter, it appears that Learned District and Session Judge Karimganj has prayed for some more time to submit the report regarding the allegations made against the office of the Special Judge Karimganj as the presiding officer of the said court was on earned leave from 12/2/2024 to 23/2/2024. Stop. However, meanwhile, today learned counsel for the petitioner has submitted that as the original bail bonds
Yes.
are with him and he intends to again approach the learned trial court in pursuant to the order dated 18/1/2024 passed by this court in bail application number 3774/2023, and he does not want to pursue this interlocutory application as it would only cause
Yes, please.
delay in
Enjoying the fruits
In-
of its order.
delay in submission of bail bond by the present petitioner in pursuant to the directions of this court. The learned additional public prosecutor does not oppose as the said pair. You have no be considering the submissions made by learned counsel for this learned counsel for the petitioner. The prayer is allowed. And this interlocutory application is dismissed on withdrawal,
Disposed of.
is disposed of
Good.
on withdrawal.
Well,
Regarding the allegation, what should we do?
and that may be closed, but otherwise, that is true, my lord, because they have asked, my lord, that conditions which we have fulfilled, my lord, may not be appropriate. It is because, my lord, Lordship directed that 1 lakh each should be the bail bond amount, my lord. So the father, my lord, submitted that 2 lakhs in cash, my lord. And one government officer, my lord.
No, you alleged, your allegation was that office is not receiving the bail bond. If that is true,
Agriculture, my lord, I'm afraid that case may be closed, my lord. And if it is rejected, my lord, then we have appropriate cause of action and appropriate for, my lord, provisions under the
okay,
CRPC.
then I am not adding anything.
No.
This interlocutory application is accordingly dismissed.
My lord, we deeply opposed. Deeply opposed.
Next, item 3.
May I please your lordship?
Yes.
With a heavy heart, we have come before your lordship.
Why?
Because my colleague who has moved the bail petition to your lordship has suppressed the fact that bail, all these petitions are bail was rejected earlier by the court number 13, my Lord Justice Shoikia. That has been suppressed before your lordship and thereafter. And interestingly, in one case, your lordship rejected the bail petition, has suppressed before my lordship Justice Shoikia, he has granted the bail. That also he have filed an objection and for cancellation of that. That's why, my lord, I have given the case number, earlier case number, your lordship will find that
No. What has,
now notice is to be given.
no, I have not understood. This is an interlocutory application,
Yes,
which you have filed in anticipatory bail
yes,
case number 3674,
yes.
where your petition was allowed.
No, not allowed.
Petition was not allowed.
Cancellation, I have filed for cancellation. Their bail was granted, suppressing the fact that bail was rejected by the Honorable Justice Shoikia.
Okay.
That was not brought to your notice.
You are not the petitioner.
No. We are the informant.
Oh, you are the informant.
Yes.
Okay.
Well, we have lost 2 persons in this battle. They have killed 2 persons of our family. $439.2, my lord.
You have to file uh, what is the procedure for filing?
Cancellation.
This is not cancellation. Because cancellation of
Bail,
is under 439.5.
9.2.
You have come under 439.2.
Yes.
Okay, okay. Third, Mr. S. C. Vishwas, learned counsel for the petitioner. Learned counsel for the petitioners. Now, who is the applicant here?
That is the informant.
Sariful.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Learned counsel for the applicant Sariful is Ali, who has preferred this interlocutory application under section 439 within bracket 2 of the Code of Criminal Procedure, 1973, praying for cancellation of anticipatory bail. Where is it?
Page 28, your lordship. Order is page 30.
Cancellation of anticipatory bail granted to the how many petitioners were granted bail?
There are 9 minutes. 9, sir.
Granted to the opposite parties who were the petitioner in the said anticipatory bail application, by order dated 29/11/2023, passed in AB application number AB case number 3674/2023. Issue notice to the opposite parties. The petitioner shall take steps for issuance of notice to the opposite party by registered post with AD within 3 days from the date of.
No, see, my lord, better we'll go. So, see the concerned police station.
with registered post with AD
Sorbuk PS.
as well as through the officer in charge of
Sorbuk PS.
Sorbuk Police Station. Now, the notice is returnable on the date. Shorter date. 7th March.
Yes.
7 March. Let this case be listed again accordingly.
Good job.
Finish.